You saved the hardest till the last.
So what do you see here? There's a lot to see here.
Man,
All kind of things. Oh, there's everything.
who said all kind of things?
I said something similar, depending on where you're focusing.
That was Diane said all kind of. What do you see, Diane?
Well, what I'm seeing, well, I'm seeing, of course, all kinds of animals, but I'm seeing the ram. I'm seeing, because I live out in the country, I always look for these things anyway, so I don't hit them on the road. Not rams, but well, when you're up in Black Hills, yeah, you'll see them. But there's just all kinds of little animals here. But then, of course, if you step back from it all, you see like an old woman or an old man's face profiled.
Hmm.
And so there's the nose there, and then the eyes. Let's see
Oh.
what, and so I see all kinds of things.
Nothing in the image changes.
I look for, because you conditioned me so much on words that I'm looking now where the hell is Earth. I understand animals. Animals are not Earth. And the old man that is also not Earth. So where's Earth?
Maybe Earth is a metaphor for the image.
I don't understand. I don't get it.
Earth is an integration of all the animals, the human beings, all interconnected. So you don't see the word Earth there. It's what this image is entitled. At least I don't see the word Earth.
Wouldn't you look at if there was a tree, it would all of a sudden be Earth or water or something. There would be Earth, because Earth is everything. It's not just humans and animals.
You could certainly, if you're an artist, you could take this image and play with it and stick other stuff in the background if you wanted to. You could put trees or flowers or
no, just put an Earth ball, but put an image of blue Earth in the back.
You could do that. Just think of the creative opportunities here for each and every one of us to embellish this, or create something new from this, or simply share perceptions and images with one another. Does it make you somehow change who you are as a person on this planet and what you're here to do? What is your unique purpose on this planet? Have you even thought about it?
Which takes me back, Diane, to the idea when we were talking about leadership, and Hugh knows that I have a total different view of the world than most. But to the extent that you look to others to lead is the extent to which you disempower and remove yourself from the equation. And so in a hierarchy, it's absolutely built top-down command and control, fear-based. Dominate, be dominated. An ecosystem is circular in nature with diversity, and self-managed teams don't need daddy to tell them what to do. And until we as a society figure that out, we're going to continue to be at the effect of a group of pretty incompetent folks who are, quote, our leaders.
Who are
without getting too political,